Okay, so you've seen me building on YouTube the A20 that was sent to me by Hong Kong Models. I got it 99% finished. I just haven't finished weathering it and everything else, but we wanted to bring it to at least show you what it looks like all made up. It is absolutely beautiful. There is only one major issue I've decided I'm going to do, which is not strictly correct on the model, but this front undercarriage leg is very unstable when you've finished it. And if it's something if you're gonna build this and put it in the display case and never touch it again, you're probably fine. But if you're gonna take it to shows and things like that, I kept breaking this front leg off. So what I'm gonna do, there's no support from just above where the leg sits in the lower part of the undercarriage bay to the roof of the undercarriage bay. So what I'm gonna do is drill and put a pin through so to help support the front wheel, because this is quite a heavy model once you've got all the bits in. So you need to be careful that you don't constantly drop the nose and drop this onto its nose, because you will break it, because it's not a lot of support. It's only about 3 points where it actually supports. So you need to watch out for that. Other than that, this kit is absolutely magnificent. I love building it. A friend of mine helped me paint it. So it's, I just can't say how good this kit is. I really, really like it. Have I gone and checked that every panel line's in place or every little thing's right? No. Because to me, that's an A20 Boston, and it looks lovely, and it looks real, and it looks like what I want it to look like and what I expect to see. It's great. It's just a great model. So we've still got some left. There's still some left. We've got some here at the show as well. But and it's not a big airplane. A lot of people have said to me, "Oh, it's probably a bit too big for me." This is not a big airplane, not compared to the Lancasters and the B-17s and things like that. This is a relative. Don't forget, this is a single seat, basically single seat twin engine airplane. So there you go. But no, it's a nice kit. Done.